Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not using your dedicated GPU. First, let's perform some initial checks. Verify your computer's display settings are configured to use your dedicated graphics card. Next, ensure Roblox is set to run with high-performance graphics in your operating system settings. Finally, always update your graphics drivers to the latest version available from the manufacturer's website. These simple steps can often resolve the issue quickly, ensuring Roblox utilizes your powerful hardware for a smoother experience. Now, let's dive into your graphics control panel. Whether you have an NVIDIA or AMD card, open its respective software, like the NVIDIA control panel or AMD Radeon software. Navigate to the Manage 3D Settings or Graphics Settings section. Here, you'll need to add the Roblox application to the list and explicitly set its preferred graphics processor to your dedicated GPU. This tells your system to prioritize your powerful card for Roblox, boosting performance significantly. Moving on, we'll adjust settings within Windows itself. Open your Windows settings, then go to System and select Display. Scroll down until you find and click on Graphics Settings. In this window, you'll browse for the Roblox application executable, which is usually found in your program files. Once added, set its graphics preference to high performance. This ensures Windows directs Roblox to use your dedicated GPU, providing a much better gaming experience. For advanced troubleshooting, first confirm your power plan is set to high performance to prevent any GPU throttling. Also, close unnecessary background applications that might be consuming valuable GPU resources, freeing them up for Roblox. If the problem persists after trying all previous steps, consider reinstalling both Roblox and your graphics drivers as a last resort. These comprehensive steps should help you get Roblox running smoothly with your dedicated graphics card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.